Apple Rose Pastry.
Rose pastry. You puff pastry.
Okay. Good.
Good.
Looks yummy.
Uh-huh.
So cut 2 apples into thinly sliced and soak it inside 2 tablespoons of lemon juice mixed with water
Yeah. So that they are not changing color.
to prevent discolor becoming black or something. And then put in microwave for
3 minutes
3 minutes to
without
bend
breaking.
them later on inside the pastry.
Without being broken. Good.
Slices.
Okay.
So this is how you arrange the apple slices on top of the pastry.
For the bottom part. Put some honey on the bottom, so they are nice and tasty. Oh, put also a little bit on the apples. Bottom. Oh,
Just
too little.
let's try the small bit. Do they say overlap?
Yes, roses are overlapping. Much more, many more.
I think it's enough to see.
You're supposed to organize a rose which has many petals.
Yeah, let's see there.
Okay, starting from the other side.
And then
Yeah.
spread some honey.
Okay. Yep. Sprinkle some cinnamon.
Sprinkle some cinnamon.
That's lovely.
And this one?
Yep.
All of it?
Yeah, just a little bit. Yes, just to hold it together. No, just to have a base.
Not all of it.
Yeah, this is for the base. Yeah. Okay.
Maybe
Okay, and vertically. Oh, that's a lovely rose. Better than the first one. No, but the first
yeah,
one.
looks very
Because I put plenty of them over there.
too much water. Maybe tonight.
Ah, sorry. Okay, apples, which is they were soaked in water with lemon, not to change the color, and at the same time put for 3 minutes into the with the boiling water in the microwave, so that they are a bit softer, so they are not bending. Okay, now we put them on the top. so that some of them stick out and the peel sticks out, so peel will make a nice colorful ending of it. Good.
It's already long from beginning.
And now we are putting the cinnamon. It's a bit difficult to do video with one hand, but that's what it is. And honey. Spread honey on the top, on the bottom. And a little bit on the bottom of the roses. Okay. Now we close the bottom part of the rose.
The how YouTuber.
And that is a difficult part. Roll it to create a rose. Okay, we close the bottom part of the rose. Lift the rose up and put it into the baking tray.
Puff pastry.
Okay.
Apple Rose Puff Pastry.
We put some cinnamon. So simple honey.
So back in the oven for
40 minutes.
40 minutes. At what temperature?
190 centigrade.
190 centigrade. Preheated.
So I have to check it.
So the apple rose pastry. So this is apple rose pastry. Now sprinkle some, what's that?
Caster sugar.
Caster sugar to make it look more beautiful. Yummy. Now, time to serve the what is this? Apple rose pastry.
Rose pastry. You puff pastry.
Okay. Good.
Good.
Looks yummy.
Uh-huh.